This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, October the 9th, 2012. Now it's time for the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a trough digging into the northern part of the country with an upper level feature off the west coast of California. With that system in the Midwest, that could bring a cold front down with some scattered showers. The amounts aren't going to look too great, maybe a tenth of an inch at best with this system, but cooler temperatures will come down with this, especially here Wednesday, readings back into the 50s for highs to around 60, maybe some low 60s. But this cold weather only lasts about a day. As you can see, the high pressure will already be bringing winds out of the southwest here on Thursday as temperatures rebound slightly back into at least the upper 50s to middle 60s across the state, with mainly sunny skies. Friday, high pressure begins to move off to the east. We need to look at this storm off to our south and west. The moisture begins to build to our south and southwest. And this system on Saturday, as you can see here, ejects out of the south and west here at the 500 millibar level. A pretty good shortwave at that. And with this energy and the dynamics, we could see some showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather is not out of the question at this time, but we'll have to wait at least 24 to 48 hours before we have a better pinpoint on this for the storm on Saturday. Because by Sunday, this storm is long gone. Sky's clear, but it doesn't really get cold behind this front. So temperatures remain at least in the 60s across the state. It will be drier, however. But Monday, here comes another system, bringing more chances of some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, with temperatures likely in the 60s, maybe a few upper 50s depending on cloud cover. And a week from today, we still have a trough axis to the west. Otherwise, most of the cold air is still bottled up in Canada. So with the cold air there, we'll maybe see some more rain showers, maybe some moderate to heavy rain at times, which will be good for soil moisture that's lacking in the state right now. But no real cold pushes, at least in the next week or so. A couple days later on October the 20th, now we have a cold push coming to the western part of the country. Big 588 ridge over the south and a possible tropical system in the Atlantic. So the Gulf will be wide open, a storm to our west. We could see some widely scattered showers if this is right. Don't look for an all-day rain, and we'll see temperatures in the 60s mainly. And at the end of the forecast on October 24th, upper level low over the south and west. There's the tropical system still out in the Atlantic, a ridge holding it back from making it into the country. And if this is right, we could still see some rain, possibly a thunderstorm at best, and maybe some moderate to heavy rain. But we've seen about everything out this far, so don't put your hopes up on this storm continuing to look like this, even as early as tomorrow. But last night's satellite image showed that storm system that'll be coming through later today to our north and west with some showers along it and some cold air coming down or trying to come down from Canada and some clouds along the eastern seaboard moving out into the Atlantic. Watch warning map from last evening showed some frost and freeze advisories from the mid-south up through the Ohio Valley into New England, a winter weather advisory in central Montana, and a few weather issues in the west coast. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing a lot of the rain you see in the state is likely going to fall from the storm on Saturday, with only a tenth of an inch falling in today's event, if that. But we'll see.